New tonight, Quick Refrigeration donated a $10,000 check to Arizona Western College earlier today to support HVAC programs. Arizona Western College's presidential candidate, Dr. Ritika Dewan, attended and spoke about how this new scholarship will truly help the students.
Really, this means a lot to the students, and thank you so much to you and your family for this. Thank you.
It was presented during Quick Refrigeration's 70th anniversary Christmas celebration and officially established the Rick Daniel Memorial HVAC Scholarship.